The first mistake cubers may make is making goals. The goals you make start out big and make them into smaller and smaller goals. An example is you want to improve interventory. How do you do that? You will ask which part of the method you are struggling at. For this example, I chose F2L. F2L goal can be is you want to get better at it. Now you ask how. You'll get better at it. You will say that you need to improve your algorithms or recognition or look ahead. For this example, I chose look ahead. Then you will ask what you need to do to get better at look ahead. You will say that you need to slow down enough to see the pieces and keep going faster as you get good at it. And this is a very specific goal, is what you do in a day or a few days or weeks, depending on what kind of goal it is. Then you do another part of the big goal, which is getting good at F2L, and do specific goals and so on. This applies to getting better at anything in cubing. And maybe you can apply this in real life too. The next mistake cubers may make is not practicing properly. The way you can practice properly is to warm up for 40% of your cubing time, and the other 60% of your practice time is deliberate practice. This is the time where you can learn and practice your new or old skills you learn to do and execute them better and efficiently. Also, you need to find new ways to make your practice better, like tracking a piece by turning fast to improve your F2L. There are many ways to improve your practice, like on YouTube it says you can use cross solvers, type the number of cross moves in CS timer, doing cross blindfolded to improve your speed in cross, and practice drills and more. In cubing, you may feel unmotivated and feel like you're not improving at all. Fixing the last two mistakes I told can help make cubing fun and interesting, and maybe you can improve too. Even after all that, and you're still unmotivated and not improving, you could just do cubing for fun and not for how fast you solve the Rubik's Cube. Appreciate how far you've gotten in cubing. Then whenever you get motivated, you can start learning new things in cubing and improve at it, which is what I do sometimes. It's not about how fast you are or how fast you learned at cubing, it is how much you learned. So if you take a lot of years to be good, don't be sad. For example, the YouTuber Cuber rhythms averages around 20 seconds after 6 years of cubing.